Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na po yung video na pinangako ko previously. Pag-uusapan natin yung about sa advisory ni BDO about free SM Advantage card or yung free na SMAC nakasama ng BDO Shop More credit card. Okay? Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. So, ang nakalagay sa advisory ni BDO guys is effective March 1, 2024. So, this coming March 1 onwards, yung Shop More loyalty program daw po ay ita-transfer na or kumbaga i-merge na doon sa BDO Credit Card Peso Rewards Program. Okay? So, ang mangyayari po is lahat po ng bagong credit card, BDO Shop More credit card and renewals, hindi na po kayo makaka-receive ng free na SMAC or yung SM Advantage card. Okay? Kasi po, previously, kapag kayo po ay na-approve ng BDO Shop More credit card, automatic po yan pag dineliver sa inyo yung BDO Shop More card, may kasama pong free na SMAC. So, effective March 1, wala na po, including po yung mga renewals ng Shop More credit card. Okay? Kasi yung SMAC po na free, sabay po yan na expire doon sa credit card. So, syempre, pag na-expire na yung card, expired na din yung SMAC ninyo. Okay? So, ang sabi din po is, lahat po, or yung meron daw po na mga existing na active pa na SMAC or SM Advantage card, pwede nyo pa rin pong gamitin yan. Kaya lang, hindi na po matatransfer yung mga points doon sa SMAC or sa SM Advantage card. So, ang mangyayari po, mare-retain po yung earned points nyo doon mismo sa BDO Shop More credit card na. So, pero yung mga points po na nasa SMAC nyo na, you can still continue to use it and pwede po siyang for redemption hanggang ma-expire po siya. Okay? So, pero kapag, ayun nga po, once na ginamit nyo po ang SMAC, hindi na po matatransfer, yung credit card, hindi na po matatransfer yung points doon sa SMAC ninyo. Okay? So, para ma-check nyo po kung ilan na po yung inyong earned points, makikita nyo po yun sa inyong SOA or Statement of Account na sinisend ni BDO. It is important to note lang din po na kapag nag-apply ka ng BDO Shop More credit card ngayon, tapos na-approve ka bago mag-March 1, makaka-receive ka pa din ng free na SMAC or SM Advantage card. Okay? So, pero, kapag po kayo ay na-approve, March 1 onwards, pag dineliver yung card, wala na po kayong free na SMAC. So, basta po, tatandaan ninyo, effective po March 1, wala na pong free na SMAC ang BDO Shop More credit card. So, included din po dito yung mga for renewals. So, for example po, yung expiration date ng inyong BDO Shop More card is March 1. Siyempre, ang expiry date ng SMAC nyo or ng Advantage card is also March 1. So, ang mangyayari po is, pag sinendan po kayo ng renewal ni BDO, marireceive nyo na lang po yung BDO Shop More credit card. Wala na pong renewal yung SMAC. Okay? And kapag naman po, halimbawa, nag-request kayo ng replacement ng BDO Shopmore credit card, March 1 onwards, wala na rin pong kasamang replacement yan ng SM Advantage card or ng SMAC. Okay? So, bali ganun na po siya. And ang mangyayari kasi is, mas magiging flexible po yung paggamit nyo ng mga earn points ninyo. Pag nasa BDO credit card peso rewards program na siya. Okay? That's pretty much it, guys, yung update, yung advisory ni BDO. And kung meron kayong additional question, leave your comment below and I will try to answer kung kaya. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe and notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video is may inform po kayo. Okay? And marami pong salamat sa panonood and see you again on my next. Bye!
What a wonderful world.